My name is Nakisha. I'm from South Philadelphia, and I'm a photographer. I've always loved the visual arts. I mean, that's something I've always been drawn to, and I started my higher education going to the Art Institute of Philadelphia. But I didn't start actually doing photography as a profession until 2.5 years ago. And I absolutely love it. I'm the owner of Hodgepodge Studios in Philadelphia, and I've always wanted to create a place where artists of all types could have a space to create and bring their ideas to fruition. So I really worked hard on building that environment where as soon as you walk in the door, you feel the creative vibes, and it just makes you want to do amazing things. Hodgepodge Studios has been used for all types of production, from video, commercials, music videos, paint parties. We've even had a graduation party there. It's really a versatile space, and of course, all types of amazing photography. This is more than a creative outlet for me. I enjoy making art, captivating art with interesting people. And hopefully one day I will be able to do what I love every day for the rest of